back to my channel. As you can probably see from the title, today's makeup is gonna be very natural makeup. This is the kind of makeup that I wear most of the time. It only requires a few products, as on my lid there's only one color. So if you want to see how I get this look, then just keep on watching. I've already moisturized my skin. I'm gonna use this IT Cosmetics CC cream. Just put it at the back of my hand. I'm gonna apply the foundation by using this 112 Face Curve. Because we are doing a natural look today, that's why I'm using these CC cream instead of foundation, because I don't want to have like crazy full coverage on my skin. Moving on to concealer. Today I'm using this brand new, well, kind of new for me. This is Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I'm using the shade 20 to conceal all these dark circles. I'm gonna blend it away by using this setting brush by Real Techniques. Don't forget the inner corner. That's the place that we tend to get a little bit more darkness. I'm gonna get a spoolie like this to brush through some products on the brows. And then I'm gonna go in with this Emperor Brow Pencil. Actually, before we go in with the products, I will suggest you guys to set the brows before you apply any products. The loose powder that I'm gonna use is All About Face. I got this in Thailand. I'm not sure where the product is from. I'm just gonna use a small amount from the puff using a buffing brush like this. Give the brows a little bit of a base before applying any products. So today's goal is to have like everything effortless. So we're not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna follow the natural shape of my brows. Alright, we're gonna move on to the eye makeup. I'm just gonna run through the eyelid with the foundation brush, and we're gonna set our eyelid with a little bit of loose powder. I know that there are a lot of bronzer or contour are quite expensive in the market, just like this Hoola. To me personally, it's quite expensive, but it is a really good product. Even if you're fair or if you have a darker skin tone, it kind of matches everyone's skin. But in my opinion, the product is so little, so I just ran to buy this Fit Me Matte Poreless powder in the darkest shade that I got from the store. This is in the shade of 330. The color is quite similar as Hoola's bronzer, I'll say. So today I'm gonna try to use this as my bronzer, as my contour as well. So we will see. Using the same buffing brush that we set our eyelid just now, apply on the socket of our eyelid. Because today I want to create the most natural makeup, but I still want to have a little definition on the eyes. Instead of using a black liner, I would like to use brown. I've got this Maybelline Color Show eyeliner. So we're just gonna draw a very fine line on the outside corner of our eyes, as close as your eyelash as possible. And then we're gonna go in with an angled brush and we're gonna smudge out. Like that. We're gonna tight line the upper waterline. Go back in with the brush and just to smooth out. Like that. Same thing to the other eye. Tight line. Then we're gonna curl our lashes. Because we are not gonna apply any false lashes, that's why it's important to curl your lashes. If you have curly lashes, you can totally skip this step. I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara. This is by Maybelline. Same to the other eye. And always remember to keep eyelash comb. So we just brush through the lashes to make sure that it's not sticking together. I'm just gonna put a little bit more of the concealer on the under eye. I'm going to set the concealer by using this contour brush by Real Techniques. This CC cream is actually very dewy, especially on my skin. I'm not sure about your skin. I have like a dry combination skin. Throughout the day, this foundation can be really dewy. So I do have to set my foundation, but I'm not going to set the whole face, just T-zone, my forehead, the under eye area, my chin, my nose area. I'm going to use the same Fit Me 330 to contour my face. Mascara on the lower lashes. And you can always go back to the foundation brush and go through the edges of your contour just to kind of soften it a bit and blend it all together with a very light hand. Next step is blusher. So I'm going to use this blush brush by Real Techniques and Party. This is like a very pretty color. I think it's perfect. I'm just gonna focus on the tip of the brush and apply it on the apple of the cheeks. By bringing the product up to your forehead, kind of just makes it look a lot more natural. And there's always some remaining products on the brush, so you can just bring it to your T-zone, your chin, so that it's not just like whoa blusher. For the lips, I'm going to use this Maybelline PK04. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you.
Bigger and great, and every bone gets me more to me than just a constructed melody.